In a more dramatic event, a plane battles powerful storm winds as it lands at the London airport. The Etihad Airlines battled to have a safe landing in London's Heathrow airport amidst strong crosswinds brought by the cyclonic storm Dennis.
No, has he got it? He's going to go around. Is he going to go around? Oh my God, look at it! Wow! Wow, look, all over the runway.
EasyJet has warned of significant disruption in its operations with multiple flights being suspended. Meanwhile, Luton Airport has asked their passengers to check the flight status before stepping out to avoid further confusion. Two cyclonic storms in a row have caused significant damage in the entire region. Heavy rainfall has triggered floods in many places. An emergency warning has been issued and residents have been evacuated to safer places.